My name is Renata. I started studying English when I was 3 years old in Teddy Bear. And imagine a little child studying English in a school. We had to have fun.
Yeah, of course. I started studying when I was 13 years old because I studied back in São Paulo.
Oh, you studied English there?
Yes. So when I come here, it was like different stuff, different methodology, and we had this cooking experience, this backyard.
Oh, I love cooking experience.
Cooking experience is always fun. Like there was one we were doing pizza, and then I started with my friends like Italian accent. Oh my god,
yeah,
so funny.
Yeah. I used to like more the sweets, and I love to cook.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, the first thing I cooked in my life wasn't the cooking experience of Teddy Bear. Oh my god. Yeah, I always like to play basketball, play volleyball,
yes,
play football, and the games the teacher invented for us to speak English in the games.
It was very nice.
It was very nice.
And I feel like when I'm here and studying English, I don't remember I was talking English because you're so into this class, you're so concentrated, you're so focused, and everybody's talking, you understand, you don't really care for the language.
We're not talking about the language, about English. We're talking about our lives.
Yes, you're gossiping, you're just
having fun,
hanging out and talking
learning,
English.
and learning a lot from our teachers that they are the best. They know how to make us laugh and have fun and learn English in all of it.
And you don't even remember, you have the book in front of you studying, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
The teachers are...
Yeah.
Yeah.